welcome back. So you joined me in the beautiful Bye resort in Indonesia because Kane and I are currently on our honeymoon and we've been traveling around to all these tropical places for the last 3 weeks or so. So there's been something that I've been doing for the last couple of weeks while we've been traveling that has been an absolute lifesaver, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So because I find that when I'm on vacation or on holiday, I really don't want to spend a lot of time getting ready in the bathroom. Like, I want to get up, get a little bit ready and go out and explore straight away. I want to go hiking or go on a boat or, you know, an activity, snorkeling or something like that. But because we're on our honeymoon and we have all these like cute date nights and we're doing like a lot of dinners and picnics, I still want to look kind of cute, you know, so I still want to like get a bit of makeup on and get a little bit of hair done. I don't want to just completely let it all hang out as soon as I become the wifey.
Thank you.
He's back there editing. So I figured out a way to do my hair a lot quicker than I normally do. At home, my hair seems to take me a really long time. I normally use a curling iron, and so obviously you have to like sit there and hold the curling iron in, and it just seems to take me ages. So what I've been doing, instead of using a curling iron, I actually got myself this little travel pack of hot rollers, which is awesome because you can multitask. So I've pretty much been like waking up, throwing these in my hair. It takes like maybe 5 minutes to put them in, and then while they're in, I do like a little bit of makeup, and then by the time my makeup's done, I take these out and I've got like these big, voluptuous, beachy kind of curls. It looks like you have like a hairdresser blowout, and honestly, I think it takes like max 10 minutes. So I've currently got 6 of the biggest rollers on there. I think these are 50 mil. They're quite big. There's like different sizes in the pack. This pack here is from Silver Bullet, and this is actually really quite compact. So I'm just gonna pop that on there. But I'll show you what it comes in this. So it comes in like a little travel case, which is super handy, and then it's got the little clips to hold it all in place as well. As you guys know, I love my Luxy extensions, so I've still been popping them in, and they actually sent me this cool travel pack. It's like a little garment bag. And then basically, they're on like a little hanger. So I'm currently mixing the Ombre Chestnut with the Dirty Blonde. So I'm just gonna pop those in like normal. So this bottom layer here, I'm just gonna pin away because my hair's still too short at the bottom there, so you can definitely see these bits if I leave them out. So this, I kind of tuck away into a bun and I pop the extensions on top of that. To get some grip in here so that I can back comb it and really get the extensions sitting tightly, I'm using this powder. It's by David Mallett. This one has gold dust, but it just happens to be the only one I brought. And I kind of like it because all the gold dust kind of falls on my shoulders and stuff like that, which I think looks really nice and summery anyway. But they have one without gold dust in it as well. It's one of those like gritty powders. So I'm just gonna spray that and then just back comb this and pin it up with bobby pins. I'm actually using the camera display as a mirror at the moment, so if I get really close to see what I'm doing, that's why. I just don't have a mirror in front of me. Okay, so it doesn't really matter what this looks like. I've basically just pinned this up in a little bun, and what you want is just to get that as flat as possible, so you don't want really any volume there. And then I'm just gonna grab these. The trick with layering different color extensions is to go with the darker one first, because obviously the nape of your neck here typically has a bit of a darker color if you have mixed tones. So I put this one underneath, and then I go for a blonde one and I put that on top, and I just keep layering them like that. So by the time I have finished clipping these in, these are now hot and ready to go. You can tell because they've got a red dot on them now, which they didn't before. So essentially, the way I've been laying them out is like this. Clip that side away and clip that side away. So now I have this middle sort of mohawky section that I'm going to work on first. I've also kept the middle section free at the back. I'm going to take one of these big rollers and just wrap that around in that direction towards the back of my head. And then grab a little clip. Now I found you can kind of wedge the clip into the base of your head, and that is the best way to hold it in place. Then I go and do the same thing to the little mohawky section right behind it. So this is what I've got going on. 4 big rollers at the top there, and these 2 side bits still to go. So I'm gonna pull one side out and take this whole front section there. And again, with a big roller, This one I'm gonna pop in towards my face like that. So in the meantime, my little heat tray here only has one left on it. So what I'm gonna do is get these little medium-sized ones and start to heat these up while I'm rolling these in. They only take about 30 seconds or so to heat up. They're super quick, but I need a few more. So I'm gonna use this one and just wait for these to heat. So these are already hot, so I'm gonna take these last few sections and use a slightly smaller hot roller just to create a curl there too. Okay, and that's it. So that is all my hair up in these rollers. And then normally what I do now is like do my makeup or have some breakfast, make a coffee, anything like that. You can just multitask while this is curling your hair. And then in about 5 minutes, I'll just pull them out. Okie dokie, let's see what we've got. So basically, just pull these out. Woo! And I just basically let them fall down and cool. Oh, that one was a bit chunky. And just run a quick brush through it. So that was literally less than 10 minutes to do this. And I have found that this has been dealing quite well with the humidity. It looks kind of full on right now, but once I head outside and start, you know, playing around and exploring and everything, it does fall out a little bit, but in sort of a nice way because you still have these big loose waves all throughout. So I found this really works for me while I'm traveling especially, and I don't want to take too much time getting ready, and I still feel like cute on our little date nights and stuff. So I hope that's helpful. If you've never tried rollers before, maybe give them a crack. I'm finding them really useful and quite fun. And you also feel really fancy when they're in. You feel like a lady. Like sip a little tea with your hot rollers in. Anyway, my loves, hope you liked the video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up. Make sure you check out our vlogs from our honeymoon as well because we've been having so much fun, and Kane's been putting together these like incredible cinematic vlogs, and they're definitely worth checking out if you haven't seen them already. So for now, I'll love and leave you and see you in the next video. Bye!